Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to start continue our 14th chapter, that is the light. In previous video already we have learned about that ray diagram of a concave mirror. Yes, but students, today we are going to discuss about that what are its uses, and also specially we are going to discuss about that what is that image formed by that convex mirror. Okay, so students, which cases we are using this concave mirror? You have idea? Do you have idea or not? Okay, so let me explain about that, friends. Actually, concave mirror we are using which purposes? To see the small object to as a enlarge. Okay, to see the small object as a enlarge. Okay, एक छोटे चीज ही हमको देखना है तो हम कनकेव मिरर पे देख सकते, मतलब उसको बड़ा कर देख सकते, ठीक है। इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं, वो मिरर जो डेंटिस्ट यूज करते हैं और जो डॉक्टर्स जो यूज करते हैं उसको क्या मतलब कनकेव मिरर पे देखते हो, छोटे चीज को जो छोटा छोटा थिंग्स रहता हो वो इट इज सीइंग एज ए लार्ज. ओके, सो इट इज यूजिंग एज ए व्हीकल्स हेडलाइट्स, टॉर्च एंड ऑल्सो यूजिंग टू सी दैट वन स्मॉलर ऑब्जेक्ट टू दैट बट bigger enlarge like that. For you are using this concave mirror. Okay. So what are the images, how the images are forming by the convex mirror? Today we are going to discuss. In the last day what I told, if that concave mirror, that image all are that real and virtual and inverted, sorry, real and inverted, and it is according to that position, and that image size is increasing, and already I have told from the infinity to up to that between the focus and a pole. Yes, already so many 6 places I have discussed in the last video. But students, today we have to discuss only that convex mirror. What is that image formation by the convex mirror? You have seen that there are only 2 positions. One what is at infinity, and between the infinity and the pole. The position, that means finite, that means where you should put also. Why are the 2 position where we are using the 2 position, and that we are getting the images. So let us see how the image is forming and what are the nature. So in convex mirror, what is the nature of that image? That is already I have told, that is virtual and erect. Okay, so let us see how what is that. First of all, you see the students concave mirror. Uses of concave mirror. It is generally used in the torches, vehicle headlights, to see the enlarged images of the teeth, etc. Okay, so generally we are using that torches, torch light purposes, that headlights, and also vehicle headlights, automobiles जो headlights रहता है उसको that we are using. Next what we are to see that enlarged image of the teeth that doctors are using. Okay, that's so many applications are there. So now we are going to discuss about that. What is the formation of image in convex mirror? In the like same as how like you have studied that what are the images formed by that concave mirror, same like what are the images of the convex mirror. There are 6 positions are there, but here object position are only 2. One at infinite, between infinite and the pole of the mirror. That means only 2 positions are there. I will explain that later. So if at infinite, then images where it will be at focus. Okay. And it is also highly dimensional for the pointed size. But you should remember that it is very important. When that object position is at infinity, it is focused, but where it is behind the mirror. That means if that convex lens, if you use convex mirror, if you use like this, if okay, this is convex mirror and this is pole. If you dotted line extend, then what will happen? If the rays are infinite to coming, then it will be focused. Okay, and like this it will come, and this all light are it will extend, and this rays are it will extend where the little point, that is called as focus. So you have to understand here, friends, these rays are after reflecting, they are coming, means reverse it is coming, but if you extend that rays it will be, and the behind the mirror the image will form. Okay, so this is the focus point, all rays will be here, but these rays are diverging. Okay, from the mirror it is diverging, but the image will form at a here highly dimensional and a point when that rays are infinite. Okay, So this is the high dimensionally pointed sizes and virtual and erected. Where that image of what will form, then this is will form, then how like will form, virtual will form and a erect. Erect means this is inverted means like this. That means changing the position. Now between the infinite and the pole of the mirror, if that object will place at that between this is the pole and infinite, if in this between anywhere it will keep that object, what will happen? Now that image will form between P and F. That image will form between P and F. This between image will form. Did you understand, friends? Very important. That is when that object is infinite in the convex mirror, at that time where is the image will form? At a focus. At a focus. But when the image is placed in between infinite and pole, that means infinite here anywhere and between this pole up to here anywhere it will keep, that image will fall between this pole and F, and that means focus after that it won't form. It is behind the mirror, but the image will fall between F and P. P means pole of the mirror or the center of the mirror. Okay, in this between the image, all images will form. Okay, any position you should keep, but that should be between P and infinite. If you keep that object, then that image will fall between what is that, focus and pole. Okay, so these are the all also what is that, virtual image and erect and dimensional also. Okay, so that's why this is only two position of that image object of that convex mirror. So now students, we are going to discuss about that what is the uses of convex mirror. So convex mirror generally used for purposes in the large distance, means whole area, large area we can see as a small object, small image. That means big area it will cover, but we can see that as a small light. So that's why our rear view of that bike we are using. Whenever we are riding, we are seeing that which bike is coming back, and more distance also if the bike is there, just it will appear as a nearby. So that means we are using for as a rear view. That means whenever the distance in the telescopes, star we are observing, that due to that what is that, convex mirror. Okay, and you will study that about that convex lens also, what is that concave lens also in that next video. So before that, what this is the uses of that convex mirror, and it is used for the rear view of mirror in vehicles because the image is formed smaller and erected. This is using for the telescope. It is using the microscope, compound microscopes. Okay, so these are using for the small things, means near about 20 times that larger also you can see that by the convex mirror. So now we are going to discuss about the first. We will higher class will study about the mirror formula. What is that mirror formula? Now 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, this is very important formula for higher class friends. So what is that U? U is equal to object distance, distance of the object from the pole, means how much distance. Okay, how much distance from the P. Suppose object is here, so how much distance from here to here, how much distance. Okay, so this distance is called as object distance, and that we are representing by U. And where that image will form, suppose image is forming in this here, but in that behind this is, so if you image will form here, then how much distance image, so that is called as a V. And what is that focal length or focus? Now where that focus will come, that focal distance from the pole, the distance from the pole to focus, that is called as a focal length. Okay, that is called as F. If this relation with if you do, you can find out that either focus you can find out, or you can V if not given, you can find out. Suppose it has given you object distance and focus, there you can find out. Any three variables are there, U, V and F. Any one of them not given also you can find out. If it will ask what is the object distance, or what is that image distance, if that object is placed to 10 cm, then and with a 5 cm focus with that, if you will explain in your what problems applications are there, you can understand, you can solve it by using mirror formula. And magnification, what magnification means, what is that, students, do you have idea? In the higher class we will study 10th class, that is the nature of the image, case of the how it is. So by that it is a concave mirror or convex mirror, we can easily detect it, but you have just remember that what is that, the ratio of that height of the image by height of the object or distance of a image by distance of a object. If we do this, means whenever height of the image divided by height of the object, then you can find out that what is the magnification. Magnification means nature of the, what is that? Nature of the image or nature of that, what is that image will form, that we can find out. Okay students, so this whole about that our convex mirror and concave mirror uses and what are the dimensions. Next we will discuss about that lens and what are the difference you have to write. Okay, thank you all of you.